Welcome to a world which flips traditional business models on their heads, where the store doesn't necessarily have to own the products they sell. It's a model where you skip the hassle of logistics and stock management. Instead, you can sip your coffee and focus on marketing your products, driving sales, and raking in the profits. Essentially, it's like a cheat code for anyone itching to dip their toes into the thrilling world of e-commerce. Hello there! I am your friendly neighbourhood virtual assistant, Miss Rose. Welcome back to your favourite hangout spot, the UPL Teaching and Training Academy. The warm welcome mat is always out for you. So, let's crack the code of dropshipping, shall we? It's like you're playing a game of telephone in the retail world. You, as a retailer, don't keep goods in stock. Instead, you pass on your customers' orders and shipment details to either the manufacturer, another retailer, or a wholesaler who then ships the goods directly to the customer. In layman's terms, it's like selling air guitars. You sell products you do not physically own or stock. This business model is stirring up a storm in the digital market, mainly because of its breezy operation and penny-pinching startup costs. It's like having a key to a vast global market without needing to build or maintain a single warehouse. However, dropshipping is not just about playing Chinese whispers with orders. It's also about building a brand, driving customer engagement, and generating profits. It's about harnessing the power of the internet to reach potential consumers, understanding their needs, and delivering the goods. Now, I bet you're scratching your head wondering, how do I jump into this dropshipping bandwagon? This video you're watching is your treasure map to a successful dropshipping venture. It simplifies the process of setting up a dropshipping business, offering nuggets of wisdom into various aspects like choosing the right products, selecting reliable suppliers, effective marketing strategies, and customer service. Setting up a dropshipping business might seem like climbing Mount Everest at first, but it's more akin to a brisk morning walk. It doesn't necessarily require any specific tech wizardry, but having a basic understanding of e-commerce, digital marketing, and customer service would definitely up your odds of hitting the jackpot. The most critical ingredient of a successful dropshipping venture is dedication. It's not a magic beanstalk to instant wealth, but a legitimate business model that requires a good old-fashioned elbow grease. Dedication is the compass to navigate through challenges and leap over hurdles in your journey. Next up, you need clever tricks up your sleeve. In the world of dropshipping, strategy is your secret sauce. It's about finding the perfect products to sell, zeroing in on your target audience, and learning their language. It's about crafting a user-friendly website, giving your product listings a search engine makeover, and shaking hands with social media platforms to engage with your audience. Lastly, there's a need for a burning desire to succeed. The dropshipping business model is not a stroll in the park. It demands grit, gumption, and a will to succeed. But if you're willing to roll up your sleeves and weather the storm, the rewards can be as sweet as a victory pie. So what's the recipe to this success pie? All you need is a dollop of dedication, a pinch of savvy strategies, and a generous helping of desire to succeed. It's like whipping up a success souffle. First things first, what is dropshipping? It's a retail method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. Now let's get started with the process of setting up a dropshipping business. Step 1. Choose a niche. This is a critical decision that can make or break your business. It's important to choose a niche that is profitable, but also one you're passionate about. Step 2. Conduct market research. This involves looking at potential competitors, understanding market trends, and identifying your target audience. Step 3. Source a supplier. This might seem daunting, but plenty of platforms exist to make this easier, like Alibaba or Oberlo. Remember, the supplier you choose will be a key partner in your business, so choose wisely. Step 4. Build an e-commerce website. You don't need to be a tech wizard to do this. Platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce can help you set up a professional online store with ease. Step 5. Create a customer acquisition plan. This could involve search engine optimization, pay-per-click advertising, or social media marketing. The goal is to drive traffic to your site and convert visitors into customers. Step 6. Analyze and optimize. Use tools like Google Analytics to track your results, learn from them, and tweak your strategies for better performance. Now, let's recap the key points discussed in this video. Starting a dropshipping business involves choosing a profitable niche, conducting thorough market research, sourcing a reliable supplier, building a professional e-commerce website, creating a solid customer acquisition plan, and continually analyzing and optimizing your strategies. Remember, the beauty of dropshipping is that it allows you to start an e-commerce business without needing to worry about inventory or storage. It's all about connecting the customer to the product, and you're the one facilitating that connection. So, are you ready to take the plunge into the world of dropshipping? With the information provided in this video, you've got the knowledge to make it happen. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Here's to your success in the exciting world of e-commerce and dropshipping. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and see you in our next video.